Girl, I'm over here geeked. Oh, hold on. Let me back up. Hello, my name is Rachel from the Artlist Live. Today, my first ever collaboration. CurlsQueen. To be fresh, gifted, female, and black. I'm all of that. What this is for, some clip-in locks. Let's unbox it together. The nice little pack. If you know, this will be reused. You go learn. A CurlsQueen brush. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I guess brush my daughter's hair. Some clip-ins. Not only the clip-ins, I like this little case that it's in. They also have a bonnet, which I need. So that's nice. It's a drawstring bonnet too. Go ahead then. Okay, but here's the star of the show. The CurlsQueen. Nice little satin bag. I'm Mom of the Year. Please excuse my children. CurlsQueen. What's in here? Best texture clip-ins for black natural hair. Get longer, fuller natural hair fast with CurlsQueen clip-in human hair extensions in just minutes. Oh, that must be why it looks so real. All right, girl. So what you came here for is the hair. CurlsQueen. Girl, I'm looking at this hair. And I am in shock. Girl, this look like... Did somebody actually interlock this? This is crazy. CurlsQueen. Y'all awesome CurlsQueen that I have this in my hand. This is for real. Did you see that? Look at this and look at my hair. No wonder they emailed me and they sent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bundles. Let's look at one of them. So this is about 2 inches, maybe 2.5 inches wide. 2 clips at the end, so that's good. This is me before. No extensions, fresh retie, all of the things. And let me just show you so you can see I don't have nothing in there. So let's just go ahead and clip some of these in. Well, we're gonna clip all of them in. How many did I say? 10? Hopefully, I am concerned, like real talk, because I really don't like clip-ins because they hurt. Like I had a clip-in wig and I never wore it because it hurt. So I had 10. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's what I'm doing. This is actually shorter than my hair. Clip-ins where? Let me know in the comments if you can tell, if you can detect my hair from the clip-ins. Let's try this other side. So as you can see, I'm just catching some of my hair, sliding that clip-in and closing it down. 4 more to go. Let's put them in the back. Girl, can we see the clip-ins? I can't even see them. I can't see them. Can you see them? I can't see them. Let's do a couple styles. For me, this is a style in itself. You know what I'm saying? That bust down. This, you can't go wrong with this. So let's see what else we can do with these clip-ins in. I am curious what these are gonna look like with my favorite style. So let me do some adjustments. Take them out right here. But I wanted you to see up close too. You can't even see them. Put in the comments if you know what I'm gonna do. Anything about the oilless life and these microlocs, you already know what style I'm gonna try and do. Really? After this, you already know. This is outrageous to me because it don't hurt. Do you see what I see? Let's go close out this video, fam. If you were curious about these clip-ins and were just wondering, hey, do I want to spend the money? Real talk. Okay. But if I had the extra coin, I would definitely spend it on these clip-ins. You will see these again because they do not hurt. Look at these. This is off the fly. You know, little top knot, top bun. Got them parts because, you know, I just did my retie. I want to say thank you to CurlsQueen for trusting me. Y'all are the truth. Putting my hands on it, using them, putting it in my hair. I would definitely recommend this company if you want some microloc clip-ins. They do have several sizes. This is the size that I just happened to pick, and the length, I will definitely go longer. I hope you got something out this video. I thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know in the comments if you want some more styles with this hair or without this hair. Either way, I'm here for you. That's all I have.